So today we're going to be looking at a problem on Bayes' theorem, and this is something that can be easily solved. You just need to know this formula, and these are valuable marks you will get in CFA Level 1 Quant. So let's not miss out on this. Let me look at an example that came from one of my students again, and we will see how to solve this one. Okay, so the question reads like, the probability of a recession next year is 70% and expansion is 30%. 70% probability of recession seems like 2023-24, right? If recession, the market is expected to go down by 80% or go up by 20%. On the other hand, if expansion, the market is expected to go up by 90% or go down by 10%. The question asks us, if the stock market had gone down, so now this event has occurred, the stock market had gone down, they're asking us to update the probability, calculate the probability of the economy being in a recession. So we know the earlier probability of recession was 70%. Now they want us to update the probability of that, given that we know that the stock market had gone down. So these kind of problems can be solved using Bayes' theorem. We can actually logically solve it using the various trees, but it saves a lot of time by just applying the Bayes' theorem here. So what they have said is graphically, pictorially represented here. Whatever is given in the question: economy, 70% chance of recession, 30% chance of an expansion. And if recession, the market is going to go down by 80% and go up by 20%. Whereas if it's an expansion, the market will go down only 10% and the market is likely to be up 90%. Okay. Now, what they are asking us is, we have figured out that it is market down. If that is the case, if I got an output, if I got to know that the market is down, what is the chance that here had a recession? Okay, so generally it is 70%, but now that we have this new information that the market is down, what is the chance that the economy was in a recession? The Bayes formula is probability of A given B is equal to probability of B given A divided by probability of B into probability of A. Here, probability of A given B means A given that new information. So, right, here in our case, A should be the recession, right? And A complement would be the other side, which is 1 minus recession, which is expansion. And if we say B is the market being down, B complement is going to be market going up. Okay, but we are really interested in a recession and market down scenario. So what is the probability of a recession with the new information that we know, that is the market being down? So the formula can be then applied here, which is probability of B given A. What is the probability of the market going down in a recession, given it is recession, times what is the prior probability of a recession, probability of A, divided by probability of B, which is the unconditional probability of market going down. This is unconditional. And this is the prior probability of A. Now they are asking us to calculate the probability of A, given that we have this new information that the market is down. So we're going to say that A as the outcome of recession in the economy and A complement as the expansion. We are primarily interested in A, and B, if we define as market going down, then we can substitute directly in the formula. Probability of A given B is equal to probability of B given A. That is, what is the probability of market down when recession, right? So that is this one. What is the probability of market down when recession, which is 80%, so 0.8 times probability of A, the prior probability of recession, which was 70%. So 0.8 into 0.7 divided by the unconditional probability of market being down. So this one we have to calculate. I have calculated as 0.59. How did I calculate it? So probability of B, that is market going down, you just apply the weightage here, 70% into 80%, 0.7 into 0.8, plus if it is expansion, 30% into 10%, 0.3 into 0.1. So if we do that, we will get 0.59. So let's use this, plug this in the denominator, 0.59, we are getting 0.94 or 94%. So this is the updated probability of the economy being in recession, given that the market has come down. We already now know that the market has come down. So the updated probability that the economy is in recession is 94%. So previously it was 70%. Now with the new information that the market was down, we estimate the probability that the economy will be in recession or is in recession is 94% rather than 70%. Right? If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and all the very best. Thank you.